I actually bought this. So I bought 2 lace curtains. I bought 2 gray curtains. But I went there to get and bought this. And I also bought a phone in the washing machine. Yeah, I bought 2 more. So I bought an iPad. It's a plasma TV. I got a mop. I got a big girl thing.
Lights, camera, action.
Weather has been restored. Now I can greet you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Shongi and welcome to the Day One Squad. And if you are a returning subscriber, hello here my Day One, it's a new vlog. We are back. Okay, so today's Sunday. I just got back from home. I want to drop my little sister there for the holidays, since it's the holidays. And now I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of the things that I got. We are still upgrading this place. We're still working on this place. I'm not yet done, but I've bought the majority of the things. So first order of the day, I actually bought this. So I'm gonna use this for here to get in between the cabinets and like all the way out until the end of the stove. This is what I'm gonna use. And then, guys, I bought curtains for these two, the window and the folding door. And then I bought a rug, opening plastics with nails, which I'm making on its own. Chop. So I bought 2 lace curtains, the white ones. And then I bought 2 gray curtains. This gray is like similar to this, you see. Let me show you guys. It's similar to this, you see, this wrapping paper. And I'm gonna use this wrapping paper here. So this and the fridge are gonna match. So yeah, as I was saying, this and this and the curtains and the fridge are gonna match. Curtains, everything. I want things to match and blend in properly in here, not just yellow. And then the rug that I got, guys, could you believe me when I say I got this rug for 330 yes. This thing goes for 1,001.5. When I saw it, I was in disbelief and I was just like, I'm getting it. Like, I stopped getting whatever I went there to get and got this. Like, look at how big this rug is. And I got this for 330. What the hell? Look at it. Like a whole 330 for this. How about home? Hell, my kitchen is so tight now. Like, I'm so happy because what? You will see it properly towards the middle of the vlog, when I like put down the rest of the things and put it like, oh, and it's so soft. Guys, I am so happy. Like 330 for this length, this quality. I'm shocked, Kisana, shocked. And then what else? Oh yeah, I got 2 more plates. Like they look exactly like the plate that I had. They're the same. I bought it from the same place because we only had 2 plates, guys. And it's a problem, like when my mom is here, I have to use a different plate for her with a different color. No, I want the color scheme in this house to be like black utensils. And then I have a few other things that are gonna get delivered. And I also bought a spoon in a washing machine. If you don't know what a spoon in a washing machine is, guys, it's this. Yeah, but that, I did that. So yeah, here are the plates. Where is the scissor? I had a scissor here. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna open these. I bought these bit by bit, so you see you can buy the things. Hang guys, don't pressure yourself, eh? No one is counting or literally timing you, So I bought 2 more. I'm quite happy. I'm gonna wash them and then put them in the cupboard. Now let's unbox my banana. Hi guys, it's a brand new day into the vlog. Okay, so today it's Monday and I wanna go buy. We are buying a couch. We're buying a couch, guys. We're buying a couch. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go buy a couch today. But right now I'm still at home. I'm waiting for the delivery guy because I have 2 deliveries. These two deliveries also now when I unbox, I need you guys to be there for this one. I need you guys to be there for this unboxing because what do you mean? I did this myself. By myself. Okay. But yeah, but he says he's on the way. He's gonna get here very soon. It's currently 10 a.m. Hopefully he gets here now so I can go and come back. Go get a couch and come back. I'm getting it. Hopefully I do find transport to transport it back with me. But yeah, we're getting a couch so we can. I have other deliveries that came yesterday. Will unbox when I come back. Yeah, yesterday 3 deliveries came, except after the washing machine there were 3 other deliveries, and then now 2 more deliveries, and then I'm gonna go get a couch, baby. Yeah. By the time I'm done with this place, like I said, everything is still just coming together. I'm still working on it, but once I'm done, I wanna also do my hair properly because this is my neighbor's mirror. It broke and she gave me this part and took the other part because mine broke and my little sister broke my mirror. Okay, I'm just gonna do a bun. This is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing these leather trousers with my flops and this shirt. I'm not even wearing like horbona. Like I need to be dressed up. I'm not even dressed up, guys. I'm just yeah. So let me wait for the guy and let him deliver and then we can leave. I'm even sleepy. Let me show you. They just delivered. Let me show you guys. Yes, kibilan to mosquito coil tu. Guys, I bought an iPad. manyana wa iPad. Okay. Woo! Yeah, ne? Ooh. Apple. I've been wanting this for editing because I normally suffer with space on my phone. Ooh, Apple, guys. A whole bama. Genuinely wanna see how it is, but yeah, I'll do an unboxing video for you properly. Yeah.
Just to say how much you mean to me.
Yeah, give me.
If I told you you were beautiful, would you take me on the regular?
Guys, I'm currently at the warehouse. I already bought my couch, but the problem is we have to come fetch it at the warehouse. I can't transport, so the driver is fetching the couch for me. Hopefully you can hear me, guys. Yo, it's loud here with the cars, but yeah. And I couldn't vlog much in the shop because my phone is like on 5%, but he's fishing the couch and we are going home now. Big girl things, Kesana. Adulting. And I got myself food at Hancho's because I don't want to get home and start making food. Yeah, but not when I have a new couch and a new iPad.
Well, baby, I've been around the world. But there's just one thing I need from you. Why you think we drop poses? I can see us on the countryside, sitting in the rest and side by side. You could be my baby, and you can my baby. You gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be real. So, check BB and you will see her status says she's playing my song. Check BB.
Guys, I bought a couch. My couch is here. She's sitting pretty. I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy, Shem, and I'm proud of myself because what do you mean? Yeah. So, but it does live at it. I was so scared that it would like sit right by the stove, like to the point that I won't be able to move by the stove. But there's a little bit of space. There's a little bit of space for me to cook, but then opening the oven, baby, but I can still open the oven too. So yeah, she's so gorgeous. Like, I'm about to unwrap her. Yeah. Baby girls are ready and set up. She's ready to work. Like, already, my girl. Like, already, girl. Already for bereka. Already for 7,000. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat the hanchos that I got earlier. You know, I'm gonna eat the hanchos that I got earlier. I need to buy a pouch and a screen protector for this. I'm just gonna eat now, and then we have a lot of unboxings to do from the things that came yesterday. I still need to unbox that. I'm still waiting for one more package. The delivery guy, the courier guy, said that he forgot the things. No, he did not forget. He left it because it's a big item and it did not fit in his vehicle, so he's gonna fetch it later and bring it to me here. So I'm thinking maybe I should unbox everything else tomorrow and I can unbox the couch today, because like I want to unbox it and like put in new curtains and all those things and hang up my new curtains today. And remove the old ones and put them well for the landlord when he comes. They've been a great help. Kesana. They've been, all my things are here now. They're getting, yeah. Anyways, let me eat. Guys, the table just got delivered, the coffee table. So my friend already unpacked it. He's about to assemble it. The friend that did my study tables, he's gonna do that, and then he's gonna drill the mount on my wall so that he can mount my TV today. So while it's about to rain, it looks like it's gonna rain, so he's waiting for the rain to just go. While waiting for him, I want to hang my new curtains. So I'm just about to do that. I'm just about to hang the curtains so that we can have new fresh air lovely before we unbox our couch.
This was like I feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do.
Natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdom to falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feels like I get you. And I swear it feels like I get you. Will you ever know you don't know my name? And when we make love, you don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. You don't know my name. Everything I need between those that
Hi guys, it's a brand day. I'm just putting on my SPF. It's a brand new day and I wanna go out. There is a sale at Food Lovers that I wanna I understand that, so we're gonna go out to feed them. So I'm taking a break from like decorating and like decorating and making my space for like a home because I'm tired today. Yesterday after hanging the curtains, boy was I tired. Yesterday I was so tired. Let me I was so tired yesterday. I was the tiredest of the tiredest yesterday. So today I was just like, let me take a break in the morning and like go do what I want to do, and then I'll come back in the afternoon and finish up. Let me show you guys, but this is the outfit of the day. Let me go fetch my flops that I'm wearing. I'm not even gonna try too hard when it comes to the outfit. This is the OOTD. I'm wearing these flops. Yeah, this is the fit for the day. I've not worn this set in a minute. So yeah, this is the fit of the day. So I'll show you what was done yesterday. I hung the curtains. My coffee table was put together. They finally figured out how to put it together because it was hard. I'm not gonna lie. It was hard. So it took them a long time. And they finished like late at night, and I was like, I'll show you to you guys today. And I woke up and I did my toes. So yeah, let me get ready. I did pack my bag not so long ago. I'm taking her today. You know what, I need to start buying bags because I don't have like a variety when it comes to bags. Yeah, my phone. Oh yeah, you guys. So yeah, let me find a lip gloss. Did I take my lip gloss with me yesterday? In here I only have like wipes and like a card holder thingy and just money. That's all I have in here. I don't need a tripod because I'm not going there to shoot content today. So yeah. Oh Sana, I'm loving my iPad. Like the freedom of having like so much space and just shooting. I'm loving it, Kesana. I just needed to set it up for my schoolwork and we are good. No, I should have lined my lips first. Let me remove this. Alright, line my lips. I'm thinking, I'm gonna stain them and then line them. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna line my lip and put on my lip gloss and we are gonna leave. Well, I'm gonna show you my coffee table and the curtains before we leave.
Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe, faith to receive. Give me something I'm not. I don't need that. You are my everything.
Guys, I'm currently at Food Lovers and then I'm buying a dragon fruit. I want to try it for the first time. It is a dragon fruit, like I think it is. Or should I Google it before I take it and get disappointed? It is a dragon fruit, so I'm gonna try it for the first time. I'm actually quite excited to try it. Guys, I'm back home. It's later in the afternoon. Go me to for you my hair at home. It's time to take this down. But yeah, I'm back home. So I wanna do this part and like here. I feel like I should use here. I should put this what I used on the side of my fridge because it matches my curtains. Those matches my curtains. so well, yabo. So well, yabo. So I'm thinking I should just put on the paper, the wrapping paper here, and then also the wrapping paper here, so that I can unbox my couch and finish off the videos that I was shooting, because I was also shooting for TikTok. So guys, yeah, I came back not so long ago, like 10 minutes ago, but I just want to like get started and finish today so that I can see other things like Gibon and not be thinking at the back of my mind, yo, I still have to do this, I still have to do this. No, let me just get it done over and done with. So yeah, and then from Food Lovers, the reason I went there is because there was a special Yeti Magnum in the mini Magnums in a box of, there are 5 inside in a box. There were like 2 boxes for 150. I was like, what? Say what? I was like, I'm coming for those ice creams, because what do you mean? And anyways, we need to spoil ourselves every now and then, once in a while. I understand that. So yeah, and then I got dragon fruit. That was the only new things that I got on, and oxtail and wine. That wine was, I'm gonna use it to cook. I don't drink alcohol, I eat alcohol. But yeah, I'm gonna use it to cook. And tonight I'm not cooking, but now I'm tired. I have not been cooking. No, the only thing that I made ever since my little sister left was couscous, and you don't cook couscous basically. Just put water and let it sit there. That was the only thing I've had. I don't think I'm gonna be cooking anytime. Maybe I'll be cooking at Anga's. Just not today or tomorrow even. So yeah, I don't know. So let me do what I need to do in here and finish up, so that we can close this vlog. We can close it. Yeah.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance.
Guys, I'm actually done decorating my living area, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Like the backsplash type thing, the couch, the rug, so soft, coffee table, like it's giving. The curtains. I'm gonna take a proper video for you guys tomorrow, because now it's night. But we are done. I'm only left with the TV to get mounted, and then yeah. I'm so happy. My couch, oh baby, my couch.
See the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 Blessed with another chance, I am.
Guys, I'm about to have a Magnum as a celebratory ice cream, and this is a big achievement. It needs to be celebrated, so we're gonna have ice cream.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Precious. See, we've been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
having this. So this is the yogurt, dragon fruit, apple, kiwi, and a banana. So this is my breakfast. Guys, I wanna do my face. What the hell? Guys, I wanna do my first taste test of the dragon fruit with you guys. I've never had this thing, and like I put a lot of it. Flavor. It's not bad, man. I heard that the red one is a lot sweeter than this one. This one. It's giving, I've heard something like this. It has a feeling of, I know the fruit, the name of the fruit in Tsonga, we call it a kuwa, but there is the name, we have the name in Tswana and in English as well, but I forgot the name. It's giving that. It's not bitter, or is it? It's not weird. It's giving that fruit, man. What is it called in English? I'll look for it and I'll attach the name here so that you guys can see what you can get the idea of what this tastes like. It's similar to that. It's not fully that, but it's similar to that. And then it does not have any other taste. It's slightly sweet, just slightly. I heard that the red one is way sweeter. Yeah. But then at the store, at Fulavas yesterday, they only had this white one. And I did not even know it's white. Only when I opened it, I saw that it's white. I thought it was red. But it's fine. Guys, I decided to turn all the fruits that I had in the bowl and the yogurt into a smoothie. Like, it was not giving the taste because I don't have honey, nor do I have syrup. So it was a little, plain yogurt is sour as it is. No fruit in there was sweet. I thought the bananas were gonna be sweet, but they were not sweet. So I was just like, let me turn it into a smoothie, and I put sugar, and now it's giving. Yep, it's better when it's a smoothie than when it's a fruit bowl or whatever. So I decided to have cereal and a smoothie for this morning, so because I want to do my laundry. I'm already preparing to go do my laundry outside. I need the strength and the energy. Guys, I want to do a few unboxings of the things that I arrived during the week. First thing first, all these things I've opened to see that they send me the right things. And then I had to make sure these are not clothes. They're like items like for the house, so I need to make sure everything's intact, everything is in order. So that's why I opened it. So this is a plasma TV mount. So yeah, they open it. It's this mount, so it's gonna go on the wall there and mount our TV there. We're just struggling to find a driller for us to mount the TV. And then next, got a mop. I bought a mop, guys. I didn't put this together. Where does this go? Yeah, like it's purple. I got a purple mop. It comes with an extra. I don't know what this is, but it comes with an extra this, whatever that is. So yeah, then she goes in here. Yeah, Yeah. And then this one goes there, I think. Yeah, and then we open it. It's not this short. You can open it and it goes longer. So when you mop, you just go. No, it just goes. Yeah, I don't want to be squeezing a mop with my hands anymore. No, we've upgraded. So yeah, this is my new mop. And then lastly, I got a bin for in here. I don't have a bin for in the house, like, and nobody uses plastics and all those things. So no, it's time to leave the plastics alone and start using the right things. So yeah. So it can be a bucket as well. I never knew a bin can be a bucket, like. But anyways, yeah. So that's it for my haul. I'm gonna go do my laundry outside and then I'm gonna come in here and start cleaning. I need to do my dishes. I need to clean the place up because cleanliness is next to godliness, guys. Yo. So let me put this extra head somewhere safe. This is my dinner. I have some lettuce, rice that I garnished with Italian herbs, some mince, and a pepper. So this is my dinner. I just finished bathing and I was like, you know what, it's time to eat, babes. So I normally have lettuce with rice and mince. I take my rice and then put some mince and then put it in the lettuce and wrap it and eat it. I need it and it tastes so good. Like seriously, on a serious note though, let me prep it for you. Let me show it to you. Let me first put in my Pepsi and let me show you how I eat it. It's divine. You have to have a Pepsi. Like a Pepsi just brings everything down properly, you know. So yeah, that's how I eat my mixture over here. I think I dished up way too much rice. I'm not gonna finish it, but anyways, I was hungry. I've been working the whole day, washing the dishes and doing that laundry. That laundry was not child's play. Okay, I did not even get a power nap. Okay, so that's it from me, guys. We have unfortunately come to the end of the vlog, but we are starting a new vlog tomorrow morning, so don't you worry, you will get vlogs week after week. Okay, sometimes twice a week, you never know. But please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of the family, and like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. How? But anyways, I'll see you guys next week on another weekly diary. We out.
I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Stay out the way. I need you. the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't pay. Pussy spinning like a great escape. Need no trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving savage, calling